Hi, I'm learning in my garage. Today I'm gonna keep working on our practice board. Safety first. So I'm on step 9, which is going to be a 10,000 drain. It's going to be 9, and they're going to be placed on RP1 through RP9. So RP1, let me find it. There's RP4, RP3, should be, there it is. So RP1 is right here. This is RP1. So I'm gonna add flux to the spot. I'm gonna grab the drain, place it on the board. So I am going to solder first, and then hold it in place and heat up the spot of solder. And I think I put a little too much. I'm going to try to take some off. That's better. So I'm going to grab it with my tweezers. Line it up. I do struggle a little bit to line it up still. That's good. Like I said, it's only a practice board. So I do try to line it up enough. So I'm going to hold it. Does move on me. I'm going to heat up the solder that I have on there. And it keeps moving on me. I'm going to heat it up. And there. I did put solder on 2 spots. So I'll heat up the other side also. Oh, it's not on there right, so I'm gonna have to do it again. Still learning which way to move it. I hold it down with the tweezers. Still struggle. Just trying to trying to keep it straight. To keep working on it. Might have to put a little more solder on it. I think I got it. I'll fix it. I'm gonna solder it a little more. I can use that little ball of solder to move it around. And I'm practicing, so might have to change my tip. Might be too big for this. I'm using a chisel tip. I might have to go to a conical tip because it seems like it's a little too big. It's getting in the way. So I will have to change the tip. This tip's kind of big. This component is kind of small. I know I'll find my rhythm, my own rhythm. I'll just have to keep working at it. So I'll call that good for now and continue practicing. I will have to change my tip to a conical tip. So I'll call it good for now and continue practicing and just work on getting better. It is sloppy. Thanks for watching. Have a good night.